So today we are on systems of equations, solving by substitution yet again, but looking at special cases. So this first page is the same exact note sheet that you'll see on the solving by substitutions notes worksheet. So I won't be going through that. There are a couple new notes on here for specifically special cases. If you solve a system of equations and get an identity, like 2 equals 2, so some number equals itself, then the system has an infinite, number of solutions. This means that any number you use for x and y will always be true. If you solve a system of equations and you get a false statement like 8 equaling 2, so two numbers that do not equal each other, then the system has no solutions because no value of x or y will work. So let's look at a couple here. So this first one, y equals negative 3x plus 4. So we have one of the equations already solved for y. So I'll use this, and I'll plug it into the second equation. 6x plus 2y equals 7. So I'm going to plug all that y is in for y. So I have 6x plus 2, and then in parentheses, I will write down everything that y is. Y equals negative 3x plus 4. And my parenthesis equals 7. Now I'll distribute my 2 to get rid of the parentheses. So 6x, 2 times negative 3x is minus 6x. 2 times 4 is 8 equals 7. Combine our like terms. 6x minus 6x. Those cancel out. They go away. So I'm left with 8 equals 7. Well, 8 does not equal 7. So for this system, there are no solutions. Okay, if we wanted to look at this graphically and see what it looks like, let's plug it right into Desmos. So we have y equals negative 3x plus 4, and we have 6x plus 2y equaling 7. Let's zoom in a little bit to see these better. Notice that these are parallel lines. The parallel lines will never intersect, meaning that they have no point in common, so there's no x and y values that they share. Okay, let's move on to the next one and see what happens there. So y equals, so we've got it isolated for y equals 3x minus 6. And the next equation, negative 3x plus y, so I'm plugging it in for y, equals negative 6. So let's plug it in. Negative 3x plus y, and y is 3x minus 6, equals negative 6. There's nothing to distribute, so let's get rid of our parentheses. Negative 3x plus 3x minus 6 equals negative 6. Negative 3x plus 3x cancel out. They go away. So we're left with negative 6 equals negative 6. This was the identity that they were talking about. So two numbers, they equal each other. That means that there are infinitely many solutions. If I were to graph this, let's see what it looks like. So we'll clear those. Y equals 3x minus 6, and negative 3x plus y equals negative 6. Okay, let's zoom out. All right, and it looks like we only have one line here, but if I get rid of the purple line, there's the green. See, they are the same exact line. So that means that every x value, they share a y value. All right, so go ahead and finish the rest of these on your own and let me know if you have any questions.